you? Are you the little girl? Nope, you're the little boy. A little boy. I bet you're the little girl. Do you even know you're a little girl when I say little girl? I think you do. There she is. There's a little lady. Say hi. Say hi. That's the little girl. Hold still. Say hi to Mommy and Daddy and your brother. No, not that way. There we go. That's the girl. And all the rest are guys. Sleepy guys. We had our lunch, we had our milk, we had our play, and now it's nap time. Little babies like to go to nap time, huh? No bite. I guess I gotta look. Daddy look for collars for everybody, huh? So we can start seeing who's who. You're big enough for collars now, don't we think? I say so. You say so? How are we ever gonna figure out who's who? I don't have milk in those. I know, I'm sorry about that. Yes indeed. Yes indeed. Ooh, that's mean. Tell him not to do that, huh? That's rough. Don't be so rough on your brother. He's a good puppy. You play with the toys. What a good boy. That's a good puppy. He just wants to get his nap. Look at that puppy distracting the other one. What a good puppy. Don't mess with him. Oops. You guys be easy. You play easy. Little puppies. Do you know how to sit? Do puppies know how to sit yet? Did you learn from Mommy? You gonna sit? Look at you, Bravi. You sit. What a good puppy. I didn't even know you knew that. Let's see. You the girl? Yes, you are. You are so very... Hey, you are so very smart. Do you know how to sit? Let me see. Do you know how to sit? Look at that. Bravi, Bravi. What smart puppies. That's the first time I asked, and you did it. You're a boy, I'm certain, because the little lady's over here, she already did it. Everybody else says, we know how to plot and go night-night. We're tired. Or not really. Yes, you're a very good puppy. Bravi, Bravi. Who doesn't want to play with puppies every day? Oh, thank you for letting me play with puppies every day. Well, that's the best therapy of all, huh? Easy. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Nice sit, Bravi. No bite. No bite. Pooey. Bite that. No bite me. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, my dear. No bite. Pooey. No bite. You're gonna bite something else, not me. Thank you. Good girl. No bite. Good girl. Rob. Look at you. Down. You lay down. Who's got the bun? Looks like we're gonna go down for a crash soon. That was me. We traded. Alrighty, I think everybody's pretty tuckered out. Let them go down for their nap. Thanks for watching. Sweet dreams. Vom Barron's Pride.